Think butterfly is the hardest, most exhausting swim stroke? What if you're approaching it completely wrong? I'm about to show you the single rhythm hack that transforms it from a struggle into pure flow. Trust me, you'll want to see this. Ever scroll through social media and see a clip of someone swimming butterfly? Arms whirling in sync, that powerful dolphin kick, that beautiful arching motion that makes them look like some kind of aquatic superhero. And then you think to yourself, yeah, I could never do that, right? It looks like the most difficult stroke, a guaranteed way to drown in the deep end after 5 seconds, gasping for air while looking like a dying whale. What if I told you that perception is a lie? That butterfly, the stroke that intimidates almost every swimmer, has a secret code. And once you crack it, it's not a struggle. It's actually the most rhythmic, powerful, and strangely relaxing stroke in the pool. Today, we're not just learning butterfly, we're hacking it. We're going to break it down into simple, achievable steps that will have you moving through the water with flow, not fight. Forget everything you think you know about how hard it is. Let's begin. First, the foundation. You cannot, and I repeat, cannot have a good butterfly without a great dolphin kick. But we're not talking about just thrashing your legs. The biggest beginner mistake is kicking from the knees. That's like trying to crack a whip by only moving the handle. It's inefficient and exhausting. Here's the secret. The power starts in your core. Your entire torso is the engine. Imagine you have a dolphin's tail that starts at your chest. The motion is a wave. Practice this at the wall first. Hold on, face in the water, and try to make your belly button go up and down. Press your chest down, and your hips will naturally rise. Then, as your chest rises, your hips will press down. It's one fluid, undulating motion. Chest down, hips up. Chest up, hips down. This is your core rhythm. Master this feeling before you even think about your arms. Now, let's talk about the single thing that makes butterfly feel impossible for beginners, the timing of the breath. Most people try to lift their head to breathe while their arms are pulling. This is a fight against physics. You're trying to lift dead weight, and you sink like a stone. Here's the game changer. Your head comes up as a result of your body's wave, not because you're muscling it up. As your chest presses down in the undulation, your hips rise, creating a high point in the water at your shoulders. Use that natural lift. Your chin should just skim the surface. You're not looking forward, you're looking down and slightly ahead. Your mouth clears the water just enough to grab a quick, sharp breath. And then, critically, your head goes back in the water before your arms finish their recovery over the surface. Your face is down as your arms come flying forward again. This means you're aerodynamic, you're streamlined, and you're not fighting to hold your head up. Okay, the arms. The classic windmill is intimidating. Let's simplify it. Think of the pole pattern as a wide, powerful keyhole shape. Your hands enter the water shoulder-width apart. They sweep out wide around your body like you're pushing 2 giant buttons on the pool wall, then accelerate inwards and backwards past your hips. This is your propulsion phase. Now, the recovery. This is where people waste all their energy, flinging their arms with stiff, locked shoulders. The key here is relaxation. As your hands exit the water by your thighs, let your arms be loose. Swing them forward, low and relaxed, like they're just following the momentum. They should almost feel heavy. Thumbs down, pinkies up. They enter the water softly, and the cycle begins again. The magic phrase is, pull to breathe, recover low. The hard, powerful work is underwater. The recovery over the water is your chance to rest and reset. Let's put it all together, the rhythm that changes everything. It's a 2-kick cycle for every 1 arm pull. This is non-negotiable. Kick 1.
The small, powerful kick. This happens as your hands enter the water and your chest is pressing down. This kick propels you forward and sets up the body wave.
The pull and breath. As you execute the keyhole pull, your body wave naturally brings your hips up and your shoulders high for that easy breath.
Kick 2, the big finishing kick. This happens as your hands are exiting the water by your hips for the recovery. This powerful down kick snaps your hips down, which helps lift your arms forward for that relaxed recovery. It's a continuous fluid dance. Kick, pull, breathe. Kick, recover. It's not frantic, it's rhythmic. Start by doing single strokes, one full cycle, then glide in a streamlined position with a gentle dolphin motion. Feel the rhythm. Then add another.
The final, most important tip, start short. Do not try to swim a 50-meter butterfly on your first day. You'll reinforce the struggle. Swim 1 or 2 strokes with perfect rhythm, then glide. Do this across the width of the pool, not the length. Quality over quantity. Your brain and body need to learn the feeling of flow, not fatigue.
You'll be the person in the water, flying,